Get ready to fall into the world of learning with a Fall Book Club Learning Pack. Whether you're a STEM enthusiast, a creative writer, or a grammar guru, we've got something for everyone. Let's dive in. First up, STEM lovers, get ready to move your creativity. Create your very own cow milking station with a cardboard box. It's hands-on learning at its finest. Book lovers, it's time to share your literary insights. Craft your book report, dive into the world of characters and stories, and let your imagination run wild. Calling all storytellers, put your pen to paper and write a captivating tale. Explore new worlds, create unforgettable characters, and let your creativity soar. Grammar enthusiasts, this one's for you. It's a playful way to learn while having a moo-tastic time. Join our Fall Book Club and unlock a world of learning and adventure. It's not just about reading, it's about exploring, creating, and having fun while learning. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey with us? Grab your learning pack and let's make this fall a season of growth and discovery.